How to create a Twitter account. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to select on Create Account. Then select your preferred language and tap on Next. Enter your name, email and your date of birth. Once done, select on the option of Next. Moving on with the process, now it is time to fill out some of the details regarding it. Firstly, to verify your email account, enter the verification code. Once you are verified, enter a password for your account. Make sure that it matches the criteria and tap on Sign Up. Upload a profile picture or tap on Skip for now. Create yourself a username and allow the permission it asks for. Then you'll get the chance to follow some of your interests and the public figures. After which, your very own Twitter account will be created. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.